Hey guys, this is the help screen and this is how to fix Xbox One or Series XS installation stop for disk and digital installs. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide. So just simply follow along that I'm going to show you. So guys, first thing that you will need to do is press the Xbox button on your controller. And then after that, a sidebar will pop up and you will see the application that has been stuck or stops downloading, and from there guys just tap on it, and after that tap on see full queue, and then from there tap on cancel all, and then guys clear the queue. And once you do this, you need to actually restart your console and then turn it back on, and after that make sure your network settings are good and your MAC address is cleared and you're not having any possible issues in your network settings. So guys, after that, just go back to the application that you want to download again. And then from there, just tap on install and you will be able to download now or install your application. Just to remind you guys, do not do more than one game at a time. Just download or install the game one at a time. And then from there, you'll be able to fix this issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.